Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable pumpkin macarons. If you haven't watched my basic macaron video, I highly recommend watching it before you make this. In that video, I've shared lots of information on mastering the technique for perfect macarons. Okay, let's get started with this pumpkin macarons. First, we'll sift the dry ingredients twice. Then whip the egg whites until foamy and add cream of tartar and salt. Then slowly add sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, and whisk it until sugar mostly dissolves before adding more. When the meringue reaches soft peaks, add gel food coloring and pumpkin spice bakery emulsion. Continue beating until meringue reaches hard peaks. Now sift the dry ingredients into the meringue and fold until the batter is flowing into a ribbon like so, and melts back into the batter within 10 seconds. Transfer the batter into a pastry bag fitted with small round tip. I'm using Wilton 12 tip. Make sure it's a small tip, otherwise it will be hard to make pumpkin shape. Now let's pipe the little pumpkins. I am piping this macarons freehand, but I actually created a super handy template for you and you can download it for free on my website. Firmly tap the baking sheets a few times to remove any air bubbles and let the shells dry until it has a nice skin formed on the outside. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bake the shells for about 18-20 minutes. Once the shells cooled completely, fill them with pumpkin buttercream filling. The recipe is on my website. Now, if you would like, you can use mini chocolate chips for a stem and ta-da! That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Have a great day.